No, you don't skip.
Oh, God! Oh, nice video.
I didn't suspect you. Like say they sing before. Because this vibrato thing is like you know what vibrato is. And you just always put it. I'm waiting for you to talk another time. This kind of guy, if he they lead praise and worship for church,
yes,
you come here, they come.
they call it.
I did sing, I did sing. I did try. When they try, they sing small. We're not sabi, but we see they learn. Nice video. I know go like beautiful video. How you bring Frank Edwards? I see your producer Fat E.
Yes.
Fat E supposed to here, but ain't not there. Some kind of things happen. I make him not there. In fact, Fat E and they produce almost all the songs of Obi-Wan.
Right from when I did Obi, Fat E
Wow.
has been producing all my songs.
Fat E and they produce everything. And this guy, if Fat E do
that's
this,
8 years now.
8 years now. That song, he got me kuchi, yeah.
Yes.
Nicely producer,
Yeah.
a very talented producer. We go second and come studio here.
Yeah.
And of course, very soon we go bring Kenny Corey and by God grace Frank Edwards.
Yeah.
Frank Edwards will come this studio. But how you get Frank Edwards, Eben, Kenny Corey for one song? I know the Frank Edwards don't be person when they see anyhow.
No.
In Wakana like piam. So the mo take Nena from Jos. Good evening.
They do not be Nana, na Ikenna, they call you.
Ikenna, how are you with me?
Yes, I am with you.
You want to talk to Obi-Wan? Talk to Ram.
I don't talk, I want to talk to Ram. Obi-Wan, it's been a long time. How you dey?
I did, you can now. Thank you. How far?
Longest time, oh.
Now so we see.
You know what I want from you, Obi-Wan?
I did listen.
Tell them may they play that Onyinye video for me because I like them so much.
We go play him. We go play him by far. But before we play him, Ikenna, go sing him for you.
But I just waiting. I want to ask Obi-Wan again.
Okay.
Other people, they jump from gospel to hip-hop. Why you can't jump from hip-hop?
Even they jump from gospel to hip-hop. Why you jump from hip-hop to gospel? My brother, can't you go answer?
My brother, and that's why I see him because my own conde is so bad that I didn't start with church choir. Even when I did small, when I be teenager. In fact, I know they like come near church choir or band that time. I just like hip hop and R&B, but after I released my first album, many things happened to me. And to keep it short, I just had an encounter with God. So for me, this gospel what they do now, calling way be for me.
Okay.
Obviously, it's not a business decision.
No,
really,
scoff.
because when you look at it. So my brother, now so I say I'm not arrest way Baba God arrest me. Why can't they do this one?
And the best way can only happen to anybody with that. Now, quick one before you sing Onyinye for us. What will be the new things where you work on now? What make we expect? What in the ground? What would they expect?
Okay, we don't talk some of them small. You have. I don't release new single in June, which was my birthday, and then even 2 days ago I released another single.
Another single, wow.
Yes, the first one is called Floodgates, which is playing now. The second one is called God of Wonders.
Okay.
And the singles they lead to a new album. There's Kate.
Oh, sorry. Hello.
Hello, Nedu. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my sister, Abi brother.
That sister, are you?
From Makande. How is your ministry?
Our ministry is going on well.
You want to talk to Obi-Wan?
I want to hear him. I like this album when he just show.
Thank you, Kate. How you doing?
I like the album. More grace to his help.
How's Makande?
How you doing?
Fine, good evening.
Good evening. I don't watch this one at this. I won't call. I will just be hang on.
No, now devil walk.
Sorry.
Now devil walk.
They do make it on a devil.
He not can do anything. He can't do more than so he can't do more than the other.
Of Katim, my namesake.
Katim will come back next week Monday. No worry, go see him on Monday next week.
After tell us I don't miss him too much.
And we self would they miss him. We not the feature up again because of her.
Any day when you by your side like this, I will see empty for you.
I'm telling you. God bless you. Good night.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Now, okay, thank you. That's our last caller. So
Yeah, so that they lead to new album.
When they come out
we
when?
will mark my 10th year
wow.
anniversary.
So now when exactly be that new album?
The
release?
album itself go come out November.
Wow.
But for now, the singles day for people to download.
Okay, where they go fit download them?
On notjustok.com.
Notjustok.com.
Search for on my notjustok.com.
Okay, mynotjustok.com.
You can
okay.
search for Obiora Obi1. You'll see
Okay.
my new singles. Or send me a message on Twitter, whatever you want my new singles, I will send it to you.
Okay. Of course, you know Obi-Wan handle. Easy bit abeg. No, let me bring that guitar. Make Obi-Wan sing Onyinye for us. Have you get the Onyinye song?
You did now, but you say you want to make it singer. What you talk about?
You go. No, make it singer. Now he's a singist. He's
I'll just do it a cappella.
You go do, but you not go play the guitar.
No.
Make I play am for
Oh,
you.
make him
now.
once. Make him once complain.
Where Kemos?
Okay,
Kemos, have you played guitar?
Bring it. Anybody come. Who is going to play it?
Kemos.
Kemos, come and play guitar. You will play. Maybe make Kemos come play.
Anybody fit play. Right now.
Vibrato.
Where's Kemos?
Kemos, where you there? Come and play this guitar now. Before I change my mind.
I will do an a cappella.
Oya, Moko do a cappella. Moko do a cappella. Oya.
All right.
Oya, na singer. Even you go give beats.
Make I play him.
Give me any beat. I want to freestyle actually.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Jehovah. You see, this is how you know a singist.
Now rap beat for here.
Any beat, just give me any beat.
Okay.
As I dey feel I could just do it.
As it enter body, you release it.
Just a grinding.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.